If you want to remove Discord access on Whop, this video will show you the fastest and safest way to do it step by step. This is useful if you no longer want your Discord account connected, you're cleaning up old integrations, or you simply want better control over which apps can access your Whop account. The process is quick, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Now let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Then log into your account. Once you're inside Whop, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or profile icon. This opens the account menu, where you'll see a few different options. In that drop-down menu, find the gear icon that appears directly to the right of your username and click it. This takes you into the account management area, where you can control your settings and connected services. On the left side of the screen, you should see the account settings sidebar. From there, click on Connected Accounts. Now you're in the section that shows all of your linked integrations. Scroll down slowly until you find Discord in the list. If you've connected multiple apps or services before, you may need to look through a few entries, but Discord should appear as one of the connected accounts. Once you locate Discord, look for the trash can icon next to it. Click that trash can icon to permanently unlink your Discord account from Whop. Whop may ask you to confirm the action, and if it does, go ahead and approve it so the connection is fully removed. After that, your Discord access should be disconnected from Whop. This is a good habit to follow anytime you're removing old integrations or tightening up your account security. It helps keep your account organized and reduces the number of services that still have access in the background. And that's it. You've successfully removed Discord access on Whop. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.